Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a top-down analysis for US oil. As you may know, today we have oil inventories in a few hours, and tomorrow there's an important OPEC meeting that will take place. So we are thinking that this could be a good opportunity to do price analysis for oil because it has great potential to reach the $100 level. So let's start off with the weekly time frame, and as you can see, the price bottomed back in May 2020 when the prices went below zero, and since then the price went in a big uptrend, and it reached the top of $130 level in March 2022, and since then the price entered the big consolidation, and you can see the difference between a correction and an impulse. Like I was saying, an impulse is a sharp move towards the upside or downside, and the correction is the opposite of an impulse. It takes a lot of time to develop, and most of the time it develops sideways, creating a range. Okay, so right now we are in this consolidation, and we all know a pretty important rule in trading: an impulse followed by a correction means that another impulse is coming along the way at some point. So next for US oil, we expect another move towards the upside, another impulse up to break this top after this correction is over. But the big question is this correction over? Now, as you can see here, the price found some support here around this level, considering the fact that this is the first bigger time frame correction for this impulse here, the higher degree correction. I think that the price might be ready to go back up before entering even a deeper pullback, because as you can see here, the first impulse moved pretty strong towards the upside, and this one here didn't pull back that much if you consider the strength of this wave up. Okay, so you see we found here some support, and then the price started to move up, consolidated, and then moved again towards the upside. But for this, to get a better idea of it, let's analyze this segment here on the daily time frame. And on the daily, like I was saying, the price reached the top of $130 last year, and then it started to pull back, made this sharp drop, followed by this pullback, another drop, consolidation, another drop, another consolidation, and then another drop. It gave us some hope when the price tried to break this level here, but this resistance level was too strong, and then the price pulled back down, making a new lower low inside this area. But afterwards, as you can see, the price made a nice impulse towards the upside, followed by consolidation, and then another move up that took out this resistance level. And since then, the price broke this trend line here, made another pullback, and then dropped down again, making it a deeper pullback, collecting loads of liquidity. As you can see, we have a nice liquidity area here with the price having loads of frequency on this zone. So from here we have to be pretty careful. We don't have divergence on the MACD, so technically this can drop one more time to give us a crossover and then a divergence before moving back up. But considering the fact that the price already pulled back this deep, and also that we have this strong area here, I'm thinking that the price here might start a bullish wave towards the upside. But we have to go for the 4 hours to make a better idea out of it. But before that, I would like to let you guys know that we managed to put together our first version of our trading ebook. You can find it on our website, where you can download it here by subscribing to our newsletter, and you'll receive an email with a link that will let you download the book. And we put together some important stuff for you guys that I'm sure you could benefit from. We went through loads of technical aspects of the price action, some patterns that we consider viable when trading, also some nice insights on the forex market, and a lot of psychological tips that will definitely help you in your trading journey. So head over there, subscribe to our newsletter, download the PDF, and let us know in the comment section below what you think about it. Also, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. And now let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. Like I was saying, we'll have to look at this last part here to see how the price moved. So like I was saying, on the daily, we expect the price to give us a reaction towards the upside. And as you can see here, we had a drop, consolidation, another drop. We've created this downtrend here by making this new lower low, and then another small pullback, and then a new lower low. So the way things are looking right now, you can see I've put this arrows here because I'm thinking that we can have some similarities in between these two patterns. There's a possibility that the price here will develop into a consolidation before dropping again, because I was saying that on the daily we don't have divergence on the MACD. But very important to consider, because the pullback, like I was saying, was pretty deep on the daily, then we might not get another drop. And what helps our case in this scenario is that on the 4 hours, we do have MACD divergence, and we all know the reversals develop in the smaller time frames. So as you can see, we have this trend line here. We broke out of it. We had this impulse, this consolidation, and now the price is breaking out. This means that we might get some bullish momentum ahead. I will not be looking for any buy setups until we break this level here that I highlighted. We also have a liquidity level sitting above, so the price might test this area here and then pull back deep before going back up. So I'm waiting on two scenarios here. I'm waiting first for the price to break here, and then if this gives us a consolidation, then the move towards the upside is pretty likely if we get a bullish reaction from here. And the second scenario is a bit safer, because I'll be looking for the price to break out of the trend line, and then I'm going to be waiting for a pullback above the trend line and then for a bullish reaction. So basically what I'm trying to say is that in our opinion, we're getting pretty confident that the price will give us some better bullish signs soon. Also tomorrow, like I was saying, we have the OPEC meeting, and there are rumors that they want to cut production again, so this might impact the price in a positive manner. So we have to wait to see what reaction we will get after the news, because I don't recommend you guys to trade before or in the middle of it. Wait for it to do whatever it wants to do, and let the price, even if this spikes up from here, let's say, wait for it to calm down, wait for the news to pass, and you'll eventually get a consolidation and an opportunity to get into the trade. Don't forget that our target is towards the $100 level at least. So even if this goes up to 90 and then consolidates towards the 85, you still get a pretty awesome risk to reward if you wait patiently for your trade. Okay, so that should be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also drop a like on the video if you find it useful. And as usual, trade with care. See you on the next one.